Good morning, all of you. Myself, Satyendra Mishra. I am an associate professor in Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Rama University, Kanpur. So, I am here to present a lecture on a topic, pharmaceutical quality assurance. So, before we get started on quality assurance, I would like to introduce a different department which is in our pharmaceutical industry, such as if we talk about different departments, such as first one is quality control department, that one is quality control department, second one is production department, third one is research and development department, fourth one is maintenance, fifth one is DRA, DRA means drug regulatory affair, and sixth one is quality assurance. And every department have different responsibilities, such as if we talk about first one, quality control deals with the testing and analysis of pharmaceutical products. It means not only for raw material, it also for intermediate product and finished product, and they are responsible for certificate of analysis also. They only test and analyze the pharmaceutical product in raw stage, intermediate stage, and after finishing the product, and it comes under the GLP. GLP means good laboratory practice. So this department comes under in the GLP department. So second one is production. Production, the name already reflects that this department is only responsible for manufacturing of drug, and if we talk about this department, this is responsible for manufacturing of pharmaceutical products, and it comes under GMP, good manufacturing practices. Third one is research and development. Research and development means they develop firstly they research the product or discover a product. After that, they develop the product on a small scale or pilot plant. Pilot plant means small batches. We take small batches on small equipment and instrument for analysis. After that, and this comes under, if we talk about after that, what happened after the R&D, drug goes to the trials. We already know we have 4 stages of trials. First one is clinical trial first, clinical trial second, clinical trial third, and clinical trial fourth, also called as post-marketing surveillance. Next department is maintenance, deal with maintenance and handling of the instrument and equipment. Actually, they are the second name of this department is engineering also. They actually maintain the instrument or equipment and responsible for handling of the equipment and instrument present in the our industry. So fifth one is DRA. DRA means drug regulatory affair. I'm just repeating once again. This department is called DRA. DRA means drug regulatory affair. So in this department, mainly the submission and audits is going on, चल रही हैं या चलती रहती हैं, and they are responsible for submission the different documents for regulatory approval, and they conduct the different audits of different countries, such as if we talk about Indian regulatory agency, that is CDSU, Central Drug Standard and Control Organization. If we talk about American regulatory agency or US regulatory agency, which is United States of Food and Drug Administration. If we talk about TGA, TGA is responsible for our regulatory agency of Australia. So different countries have different guidelines, so different regulatory bodies are also available for that. Next one is quality assurance. Quality assurance, we are actually, my topic is already is on quality assurance, so we will discuss in a brief about quality assurance, that is responsible for quality, safety and efficacy of pharmaceutical product. So basically this department is responsible for quality of the product. Quality of the product means this department is divided into or subdivision into different parts, such as IPQA. IPQA is first department that is responsible for in process quality assurance. In process quality assurance की बात करें, if we talk about in process quality assurance, we evaluate intermediate products. In between the processing, we evaluate the product. If we talk about tablet evaluation, we have different parameters to evaluate. First one is disintegration test, जिसको बोलते हैं DT. Second one is weight variation test. Third is friability test. Fourth is hardness test. Fifth is thickness test. Seventh is content uniformity. These test comes under the in-process quality and control. They actually check the product in between the processing or existing product. Second one is lab QA. They basically supervision of quality assurance, quality control. They basically supervision quality control department. They only as a guider, they only visit there and just check the process. What is the procedure for checking a product? They only check for that. Next one is QMS. QMS means quality management system. In this department, deal with change control, deviation, OS, OOT. These are the some terms which are involves or which deals QMS with that. Deals with change control. It means कि if we change anything in the industry, we have to just fill a form for change control, and we have to just give a reason why we are going to change. Second one is deviation. If we change anything, the reason should be given. OOS means out of specification. अगर anything if anything is out of limit, it comes under OOS. Next one is validation. Validation is a document evidence which provide a assurance that a product is that a product or process is consistently produce a quality product. So this department is only responsible for consistency of process and product. Process and product means we compare one product with another. Is it consistent or not? We check for that. Next one is qualification. Qualification to check the performance of equipment and instrument. We have different parameters for checking the performance of equipment and instruments, such as URS, user requirement specification. Second one is if we talk about second one is DQ, design qualification. Third one is IQ, installation qualification. Fourth one is OQ, operational qualification, and fifth one is PQ, performance qualification. These are the different terms which are used for performance or qualification test for the different equipments and instruments. Last one is documentation. Documentation is basically handling of the documents such as BMR, BPR, logbooks, and different forms which are present in pharmaceutical industry. And BMR is elaborate as batch manufacturing record, and BPR is as a batch packaging record. That is the overall concept of pharmaceutical quality assurance in if we talk about in our pharmacy field. So this is all about pharmaceutical quality assurance. Thank you so much.